My watermelon has gone wild and I want to share it. Guys, it's 102 degrees out there. Oh my God, it's so hot. Stay cool. The weather is crazy. I love my garden, but it's been like 3 days. I haven't been outside to water my plant. And so I went out and I'm like, oh my gosh, I know with this heat, everything is probably dying. Guys, stay cool. All right? We're just gonna go out in the garden just for a few seconds. I promise. I can't believe it. My watermelon is almost at the top of the tree.